Proteins is a macromolecule made up primarily of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. It is often called the protein block of life. There are five functions of proteins: messenger proteins, enzymes, structural, defensive, and peptides. Proteins from the food that we eat to our enzymes and the histone molecules that link are together. All of them are proteins. Like carbohydrates and fats, proteins are also very complex organic substances containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and additional elements nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus may also be present. Protein molecules are the largest and the most complicated of all the food substances. Every protein molecule is built up from single sequence compounds known as amino acids. The basic units of protein, amino acids have a common structure consisting of amino chains denoted by R in this way. R depending on the type of amino acid. R may sometimes be sulfur carboxylic acid, amino group, or hydroxyl groups. Naturally, there are 22 amino acids in plants and animal proteins. These are combined in various ways to form various different proteins. This is analog to English language that has only 26 alphabets, but form many different words. When two amino acids link up, there is a removal of one molecule of water that is called a condensation reaction. The bond formed between these two amino acids is strong, is known as peptide bonds. If there are three or more amino acids are linked up with peptide bonds, a polypeptide is formed. Polypeptide in form may be linked up to form a very long chain or amino acids. An amino acid chain can contain about 500 units on average. A protein molecule is made up of one or more such units. The amino acid chains in a protein molecule are not arranged structurally straight. In most proteins, the chains are coiled up to give the protein three-dimensional distinctive shape and held in place by weak hydrogen bonds. These bonds are easily broken by heat acids and alkalines. The breaking of these bonds causes protein denaturation and affect the functions of proteins. This is why when we have a high fever, we are told to lower our temperature. As protein molecules are very large, they cannot pass through cell membranes, so the ingested proteins cannot be absorbed directly into the body of animals. They have to be broken down by enzymes of digestion is another example of hydrolysis. The proteins are first split into polypeptides, which are then split into their constituent amino acids. Since amino acids are soluble in water, small enough to diffuse through living membranes, they can easily be absorbed into the body. When amino acids enter the body cells, they link up again to form the required protein.